Welcome to the TaHoma video series. Now that you have created your account and connected your device to the network, let's add an RTS product to your TaHoma system. The RTS product you will be adding must be fully installed and fully programmed, with limits set and paired with an RTS control. If you wish to use the My Favorite Position via your app, it also needs to be set up prior to adding to TaHoma. In your TaHoma app, from the three-dot menu on the bottom right, select My Products and click on the plus icon in the upper right. Here, select RTS and choose the icon of the product you are adding. Next, enter the name for your device. In our example, we are using a roller shade in the kitchen. Click Next and follow the steps. Confirm the proper channel on the RTS remote to control your device is selected. Next, press and hold the RTS programming button on the back of the remote until the motor jogs and briefly moves the window covering up and down. Press Next and you will see another jog confirming the addition. Now go ahead and test the device added by pressing any of the buttons available on your app screen. Once confirmed, press the Yes button to complete the adding of an RTS product. Repeat the steps for any additional RTS products. Thanks for watching! Visit us on somfysystems.com to discover more.